Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best smart bin in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. PKO Deluxe Phantom 45-liter, 1.8-gallon touchless motion sensor trash can, 50-liter vertical, brushed stainless steel finish. The sleek exterior of fingerprint-resistant brushed stainless steel of the body is carried through on the dual panels of the scissor-open lid of our Deluxe Phantom motion sensor trash can. The intelligent motion sensor mechanism opens the can when you want to. A touch switch sets it to manual operation mode. The soft close lid descends gently and quietly. It has a vented plastic base for easy cleaning and odor control. Polypropylene inner liner is easy to lift out when necessary and has a plastic bag holder built in to prevent your trash bag from slipping out of place. 45 liters, 8-gallon. Capacity uses standard 13-gallon kitchen trash bags. The Deluxe Phantom sensor trash can streamline waste management beautifully, so your home stays clean with less effort. Requires 6 AA batteries, not included. Number 4. Brabantio 313,547 Bow Touch Trash Can Recycling with 2 inner buckets, 3 plus 6 gallons / 11 plus 23 liter. Looking for a beautiful solution for waste separation? This Bow Touch trash can combines a beautiful design with all features for easy waste separation at home. It comes with 2 removable inner buckets for 2 kinds of waste. It fits perfectly against a wall, space efficient, and is very stable thanks to the adjustable, non-skid legs. Its unique, soft touch closure makes for easy and light operation at the touch of your hand. Soft touch opening and closing system. Opens silently with the lightest touch. Space efficient. It fits closely to the wall or conveniently in a corner. Easy waste disposal without spilling. Large opening. Perfect height. Better for your back. And cleaning underneath is easy. Number 3. Simple Human 30-liter / 8-gallon round step trash can. Brushed stainless steel. 15.1 x 12.4 25.6 inches. 10-year warranty. We use the best materials and solid engineering so our products will last in tough environments like your home for years. Enhance your trash experience. Extra strong and durable Code G custom fit liners. Fit this can perfectly for a cleaner trash experience. Classic round shape. Iconic shape fits just about anywhere. Strong steel pedal. Engineered to last 150,000 steps. That's more than 20 steps a day for 20 years. Silent close lid. Patented lid shocks technology controls the motion of the lid for a slow, silent, quiet close. No banging or loud noises. Slim profile hinge. Slimmer than traditional hinge allows you to place the can closer to the wall. Stay open lid. The lid stays open for as long as you like. Perfect for longer chores. Number 2. Simple Human Compost Caddy, Detachable and Countertop Bin, 4-liter 1.06-gallon. Brushed stainless steel. Store compost scraps easily and efficiently with our odor-minimizing stainless steel compost caddy. It attaches to a magnetic dock that hangs at the side of your rectangular or slim liner rim trash can, or you can detach it for use on your kitchen counter. The soft seal lid allows food scraps to breathe, keeping odor under control and pests away. The plastic inner bucket is removable, so it's easy to dump out scraps or clean. The caddy's stainless steel surface is protected by an invisible fingerprint-proof coating that is also infused with Agenter, an EPA-registered antimicrobial that inhibits the growth of bacteria, fungi, mold, and mildew. A 30-pack of Code Z custom fit compostable liners is included. The liners fit the caddy perfectly and can be thrown out along with your food scraps since they decompose fully. Simple Human's compost caddy hangs neatly on the side of your trash can and is easy to detach for use on your kitchen counter during food prep and cleanup. Number 1. Wesco Pushboy Junior Push Door Trash Can Cool Gray Matte. Bins don't get more beautiful than this. Born of Wesco's 100-plus years of expertise in making household items from sheet metal, the Pushboy Junior is perfect in form and classic in style. It looks like the sort of bin the B-52s might have had in the Love Shack. The 20-tool bin comprises 2 parts, an inner bucket that holds the waste and an outer shell that sits on top. The outer shell has handles on the sides, which can be used to lift it off without leaving messy finger marks on the powder-coated body of the shell. One thing to bear in mind about classic push bins like this one is that during use, one of your hands will be occupied with pushing the flap, which can make it tricky to do messy tasks like scraping food waste into the bin. For this reason, we recommend this type of bin for people who need a solution for recycling or non-organic general waste.